I'm Ericka.
And I'm Vale.
And today we'll be unboxing the Animal Crossing Colourpop collection. Let's do it! Isn't the box really pretty? I think the box is really pretty. I like the color.
The color really pops.
The color really pops.
Oh, you
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so pretty! We got some bubble wrap. Pop, pop. Oh, it doesn't pop. Cool, whatever. Alright, so now that we have the box open and all the bubble wrap out of the way, let's dig in to this super cute and amazing collection. So, we got a little card and it says, "Thanks a latte." So cute. I love it. I don't drink coffee, do you?
No.
No. So,
But it's cute.
yeah, it's so cute. What else we got, Vale?
So we have some little stickers, which is so cute. So the first thing is the True Friends eyeshadow, the little quads collection.
So the first one is the Nook Inc Palette, and it has 4 shades here. The glitter, metallic, matte sparkle, and the matte shade. So the CEO, water landing, yes, yes, and made in the shade. So cute.
So next we have the What a Hoot palette, and it's just like your neutral browns. You have Meteor Shower, which is a gold glitter. You have Celestial, which is a matte sparkle. You have Who, which is just a matte. And All Aflutter, which is a metallic.
We'll show you what these look like on our skin in just a sec after we show you all of them. So this one is a label of the ball.
Labelle.
Labelle. Labelle?
Yeah, Labelle. Her name is Labelle. And then again,
Mabel, Able, and Labelle.
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be label? Anyways, so here we have Labelle of the ball. So again, this one has the same as all the other ones. It has your glitter. It has your metallic, your matte sparkle, and your matte. And again, we'll show you these in a little bit.
And then the last one is 5-Star Island, which is the pinks. So you have Isabel, which is metallic. Island Tune, which is your matte. You have Island Designer, which is a pink glitter. And Resident Rep, which is your matte sparkle.
Next, let's do the
So next we have 2 single shadows.
Yay!
So here you go. So this one is the Super Shock Shadow. It's in the shade of Balloon Pop. Such a cute little packaging. Love it. It's
Cute.
just, you know, a sparkly shadow.
Is that like pressed glitter or no?
No, these are, well, they're kind of different. So it's a Super Shock Shadow. I don't even know how to describe it. They like feel like super pillowy, but like
We'll test them out in a little bit.
glittery.
All right. And this one is the Bellionaire. Bellionaire? Bellionaire. Super cute. And this one, oh my God. It's so shiny. It's made out of real gold. Just kidding. No, it's not. But super cute. Super cute. It's just glitter and more glitter. I bought this one from Tom Nook. Lots of bells for the shit. Nothing. Nothing. I got nothing. That's Bulio in the background, if you don't recognize the voice. Hey everybody, it's Bulio from Echale Porras Productions, and today we'll be making lots of noise.
Stay safe, stay awesome. Peace. So next we have the two blushes. Here
Two
goes.
blushes.
This is the Flower Power blush. So this one's more like a lilac pink, which I think is super cute. Look at that. Very pretty.
Cute.
It has like the little
So.
imprint of the cosmos. So cute.
And this one is the Flower Tender blush. So this one has more of that gold tint. Coral. So that's what that looks like. We both play Animal Crossing and we're super big fans. But then my stupid island frustrates me sometimes because it doesn't look the way the Facebook ones look like.
Unrealistic expectations.
I need to Photoshop my island and make it
That's
look
what
amazing.
people do. They like Photoshop their islands.
But in my mind, that's exactly how their islands look like. So my island is a disappointment. But at the end of the day, I really, really love it. I stayed up till 3 in the morning trying to do one custom design. It's still a work in progress. I couldn't finish it.
This turned into a story time.
Story
So
time.
next,
Moving on. Elizabeth. I really don't like her. I find her very annoying.
they made her so useless in this game though. Like,
She's cute. She just talks a lot. Like, what's the point? Oh, and Blathers.
he just talks a lot. Alright, so next we have all of the just a
It's a bit on, but it's okay.
hello.
Talk to the boob. And next, we have our lip tints.
So these are just the tints. These are all the little mini duos. So for the first one, you have Fruit Basket, which has Juicy Apple and Cherry Cherry. Then we have Pick of the Bunch, which is Coconut Juice and Incom-Pear-Able. And
Sorry, that took me a while.
and Fruit Roots, which is Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie.
All right, ladies and fabulous gentlemen, and all of our friends out there, we're going to do our swatches.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, so let's start off with our Nook Inc Palette with, let's go with the glitter with the CEO.
Yes.
Sparkle! Like this little
close to each other though.
emerald.
So online it says that it's a pastel mint with multi-dimensional glue.
So next, let's swatch Yes Yes.
So Yes Yes is supposed to be a metallic vibrant mint.
And next comes Made in the Shade.
So this is a matte sparkle sage mint with silver pinpoints. Very pretty. You have the matte green, but then you have like, you know, the silver glitter.
And then we have Water Landing.
It's a matte deep teal. It looks so good. I love it.
So if we test the shades on a darker or more tan skin tone, the colors still stand out a lot. They still look really cute. Just wanted to give you that perspective.
So next we're going to be doing the What a Hoot palette. So let's start with a meteor shower. So pretty.
Love it.
So this one is an opalescent gold glitter. Let's do all a flutter. And this one is a metallic true copper with gold pinpoints. Oh my god.
I love that.
So pretty. It felt like butter. Oh my god. So next we're going to do Celestial, which is a matte sparkle neutral peach.
Moving on to Labelle of the Ball. So these are very purpley shades. This one is our Able Sisters.
So the Able Sisters is a pastel lavender with multi-dimensional glitter.
And then we got our custom design, my favorite shade.
This is a metallic. Oh my god! Can I steal this palette from you? So this is a metallic pastel.
That one was so soft.
Yeah. Metallic pastel lilac with silver pearl.
So moving on to our Taylor's ticket.
So this is a matte sparkle eggplant with a teal dual chrome flip.
And then our last one of the palette, our matte one, is Serene Sable.
And this is a matte mid-tone plum. So next we're going to swatch 5 Star Island. So this is the pinky one. Yeah. Well, I don't know about anymore, but... Okay, so first we have Isabelle, which is a metallic pastel yellow. Wow, that's a lot prettier than I thought it would
Me
be.
too. It looks very yellow on the palette, but it's not. It's like this champagne.
Yeah. So next we have Island Tune, and this is a matte peachy pink. Okay, next we have Island Designer, which is a true pink with multi-dimensional glitter. I'm actually really excited about this one.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Yes.
So cute. I just want this on my eyes right now. And this next one is Resident Rep, which is a matte sparkle mid-tone rose with gold and hot pink pearl. Oh my god.
Yes.
So pretty.
So
I love this one.
pretty.
This and the purple one are probably my favorites, even though I love browns and I wear browns like all the time. Alright, so next we're going to be swatching, this is Balloon Pop. This is their Super Shock Shadow. It's an ultra glitter. So pretty. These are so buttery. Honestly, it just like feels like you're just, it's so smooth. Love it. Love, 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 love. Next we're gonna do the glitter gel, and this is in Bellionaire. I don't know, are you a Bellionaire? Oh my god.
My God.
That's shine. Look at both of them. Oh my god.
Are you worth a million bells now?
Yes, I am. Know your worth, ladies.
That's
and
right.
gentlemen, everybody, know your worth.
All right, next let's do our blushes.
Yes, so this one is Flower Tender, a coral. I believe they have it like an orange satin. It's a blush, so that's good that you can build it up to get to your desired intensity. And then this next one, what is it? Flower Power, which is more like a lilac pink.
Not a fan of a purple blush, but if you're going for purple vibes, then
If you did like a monochrome look with like the purple palette, that'd be cute.
let's move on to our lip tints from our fruit trees on our orchards.
So we're gonna start off with Fruit Basket. And this has Juicy Apple and Cherry Cherry. These ones are so cute. You know, these are more of the berries, the reds. We're gonna start off with Cherry Cherry. Oh my god, these are so pretty, so buttery.
A little bit of shine,
Yes.
but subtle enough to wear every day.
Okay, and then this one is Juicy Apple. Wow, I love that color. They smell. It smells like apple.
I wonder if it tastes like it.
Well, I mean, it goes on your lips, so. Oh my god. The cherry one. Best.
And it doesn't smell like a sour apple. It smells like those red, sweet apples.
They're so pretty. So next we're gonna do Pick of the Bunch. And this has coconut juice and Incom-Pear-Able. These are your brownie nudes. Oh, that is such a pretty color. Love that. And next we have Incom-Pear-Able. They all smell so good. I keep saying that about all of them. Oh, I love that color. Okay, so now we have Fruit Roots. And this has Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie. Orange, you look cutie. Okay, so this one is Peach Surprise. Last but not least, we have Orange Cutie. It's more like it looks more like a coral.
Coral, yeah. But would you really want a traffic cone orange lip balm? No. So there you have it. We did our first unboxing of our Animal Crossing makeup Colourpop makeup collection. Let's try that again. So there you have it. We have completed our first unboxing of our Animal Crossing Colourpop makeup collection. It was very, very fun. I hope you enjoyed it. We hope you enjoyed it. Sorry. We hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more unboxing of makeup, please donate to our channel so we can buy more makeup. Shout out to Mr. Fulio from Echale Porras Productions for getting me this collection for Valentine's Day. Love you very much. Or if somebody wants to be her husband, she's single, call her. Her number is 951, but it'll be linked in the comments down below.
My Venmo, social medias, everything.
Again, my name is Ericka.
And I'm Vale.
And thanks for watching. Bye. Damn. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Oh no, I made an ugly face.
Thanks for watching. Peace.